Hello students, welcome to Mithu Maths classes. Your question is, find the value of a if modulus of c is less than equals to half and fx is a differentiable function at x is equals to 0. So you are given that and your fx is defined as this. When x is lying between minus half to 0, your fx is defined as b sin inverse c plus x upon 2. When x is equals to half, your function is defined as half. And when x is lying between 0 to half, your function is defined as e raised to power ax upon 2 minus 1 upon x. So, and you are given that fx is a differentiable function at x is equals to 0. So, first of all, we have to find the value of a. Now, to find the value of a, we can use that fx is differentiable function. Since fx is differentiable at x is equals to 0 and differentiability implies continuity. Therefore, fx is also continuous at x is equals to 0. And if your function is continuous at x is equals to 0, so that must imply that left hand limit is equals to right hand limit is equals to the value of the function at 0. But you are just supposed to find the value of a, and a is coming to the right of 0. So we can just use this thing, that right hand limit must be equals to the value of the function at 0. Now your right hand limit will be equals to limit x tends to 0 to the right of 0. Your function is defined as e raised to power ax upon 2 minus 1 upon x, and f of 0 is equals to half. Now limit x tends to a by 2 upon 2 minus 1. Now using e raised to power x minus x upon x, your limit x tends to 0, e raised to power x minus x 1 upon x will become 1. तो आपको यही x नीचे क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा ax by 2. So you can multiply by a by 2 and divide by a by 2. Now this limit will become a by 2 can be taken out, limit as x tends to 0, ax by 2 must tends to 0, e raised to power ax by 2 minus 1 upon ax by 2. Now this limit will become 1, the whole limit will become 1. So a by 2 is equals to 1 by 2, and that must implies that a is equals to 1. Now you have got the value of a. तो आप अपने फंक्शन को अब एक की जगह 1 रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. नाउ योर फंक्शन बिकम्स लाइक दिस. नाउ यू हैव टू ऑल्सो शो दैट 64b स्क्वायर माइनस 4 माइनस सी स्क्वायर. तो इससे प्रूव करने के लिए आपको x के लेफ्ट में जो फंक्शन है उसे भी यूज करना पड़ेगा. नाउ यू नो दैट fx is differentiable at x is equals to 0. So we have to find left hand derivative and right hand derivative. We can find left hand derivative and right hand derivative, and then we can equate it. First of all, find left hand derivative. Now for the left hand derivative, you are going to use the definition limit h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h upon h. Now this will be equals to limit h tends to 0, f of 0 is half, minus f of 0 minus h is will use this function and replace x by minus h. So it will become sin inverse c minus h upon 2. Okay, f of 0 minus h will become this upon h. Now as h tends to 0, your denominator tends to 0. But we know that your function is differentiable at x is equals to 0. So left hand derivative or right hand derivative at x is equals to 0 must exist finitely. मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव और राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव इक्वल भी आ रहे हैं, बट उससे पहले लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव और राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव बोथ आर एग्जिस्टिंग फाइनाइटली. तो टू एग्जिस्ट दिस लिमिट फाइनाइटली योर न्यूमरेटर मस्ट ऑल्सो टेंड्स टू 0, तभी तो ये फाइनाइट लिमिट आएगी. सो फॉर इनडिटर्मिनेसी अब 0/0 फॉर्म बनेगी अगर, तो इट विल बिकम एन इनडिटर्मिनेट फॉर्म एंड वी कैन अप्लाई LH rule here. Now apply LH rule, we will be getting limit h tends to 0, half का derivative is 0 minus sin inverse of something का derivative 1 upon square root of 1 minus c minus h upon 2 whole square multiplied by chain rule से इसका derivative क्या आ जाएगा minus half, and the derivative of h is 1. Now this will become limit h tends to 0, minus minus will become positive, और ये जो denominator का 2 है that will cancel out. So your when h tends to 0 your limit will become 1. h को जब आप 0 पुट करोगे तो 1 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 माइनस सी स्क्वायर, 4 माइनस सी स्क्वायर आ जाएगा आपका, एंड दिस इज योर लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव. बट वी नो दैट your function is differentiable at x is equals to 0. So we are also going to find out right hand derivative, and your right hand derivative will become limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h minus f0 upon h, and that is equals to limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h will come from here, that will become limit e raised to power x by 2 minus 1 upon x minus f0 is half upon h. Your x is replaced by h. You have to write fh. Okay. Now LCM ले लो आप न्यूमरेटर में, then it will become 2 times e raised to power h by 2 minus 1 minus h upon 2h square. When you are going to substitute if you are substituting the value h tends is equals to 0, then it will become, when h tends to 0, this will e raised to power h by 2 will tends to 1, and 1 minus 1 will give you 0, minus 0, numerator will tends to 0 and denominator will also tends to 0. तो आप apply कर सकते हो LH rule here. Now apply LH rule, then we get limit h tends to 0 2 times e raised to power h by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. 1 का डेरिवेटिव आपका 0 हो जाएगा, माइनस h का डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन 4 h. Now it will 2 can be cancelled out and it will be equals to limit h tends to 0 e to the power h by 2 minus 1 upon 4h. Now you can convert this as 4 can be taken out, 2 से आप multiply और 2 से divide कर सकते हैं. So this limit will become 1 when h tends to 0, h by 2 will also tends to 0, and this limit will become 1, so it will give you 1 by 8. Your right hand derivative is 1 by 8 and left hand derivative is 1 upon square root of 4 minus this. We have also, we are supposed to write b here, so it will be b upon this. Now your right and left hand derivative is this and right hand derivative is this. Since your fx is a differentiable function at x is equals to 0, so these two limits must be equal. Now use this. Since fx is differentiable at x is equals to 0, that must implies that left hand derivative must be equals to right hand derivative, and your left hand derivative is equals to b upon square root of 4 minus c square, and your right hand derivative is equals to 1 by 8. Now by cross multiplying we get 4 minus c square, and squaring both sides will give you the required relation between b and c.